guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules MWay here, and as you can see by the title, I am coming to you guys today with the HNB Cosmetics. I know my face is looking ghostly, but I did use the HNB Cosmetics loose powder in banana under my eye and the translucent on my T-zone. And the banana is basically to brighten and the translucent is obviously translucent, so it doesn't bring much color to the face. The main aim of today's video to fix all of this and let you guys see the transformation with me looking ghostly to bronzified using the HNB Cosmetics bronzer. So this is the packaging of the HNB Cosmetics bronzer. It is her typical pink, sleek packaging as always. I do love her packaging and how simple it is, not too much going on with it. I can't even open it. I did get this bronzer in number 7. So this is the packaging of the HNB Cosmetics bronzer, and it is a nice pink packaging. This is the shade number 7. Basically, she has 9 bronzers and she categorized them in 3 different parts. So you have light, and you have in light you have neutral, warm, and bronze. Basically there's 3 in each category, so she has light, medium, and dark, and I took number 7 from dark. I think this one is meant to be the golden version, and this is a swatch of it right here. So this gives you a nice golden sun-kissed bronze where you have more warmer and you have a mixture like a neutral. So far this bronzer has a slight scent to it, nothing too harsh, nothing to be worried about. It does come into this deep set pan. Now this bronzer is also priced at £14, which is very much reasonable in my books. This formula is very soft and very pigmented, so that's how it looks right off the bat. The shade number 7, you can see how warm it is. So I'm gonna take my typical peaches and cream brush, and this brush is the PC21 and it is a angled brush. Now dipping into that product just like that, right off the bat you can see how pigmented this bronzer is. Now I'm just gonna bronze my face. And the reason that I like to use this brush, because I don't have to do a lot of cleanup or reverse contouring when using this brush, because it just hugs right under my cheekbones. And for this product you only need one dab and you're good. So far it does look like a product that's easy to blend out. And another reason that I love this brush, I can just put it right here and it does the part that I need to bronze. But I do love this shade that I chose, which is number 7. You guys can comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this color, just so you guys can see how I dust off the remaining product of my powder on my face. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. These two are in number 3 and number 4. And she has not come out with an all over face powder, but I know that's going to be in the making in the future. I'm not gonna lie, her products are very lovely. Like, she's very underrated as a brand owner. If you don't know Holly Boone, she's basically the owner of HNB Cosmetics. She is a YouTuber here, and she's also a nice little Instagrammer. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera and then get back on camera to show you guys a little bit of swatches of other bronzers next to it, so you guys can have an idea. I know I said I was gonna finish all my face off camera, but I forgot, like, I have a few HNB lip product. So why not use her lipstick in Obsessed? And this is a liquid lipstick. I'm going to put a tip just to make it a little more pinky to go with my eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of her lipstick called Baddie. And that's the color of the liquid lipstick. Just a little bit. Just to make it a bit more pinky. And then to top that off, I do own some of her lip glosses. I do own a lot of her lip glosses and liquid lipsticks because I have been on her journey from she started producing makeup products. And if you guys would love to see like swatches of her liquid lipsticks and lip glosses, you can definitely comment down below and I'll do that for y'all. This shade that I'm applying on my lip is called I'm Good. Okay, for my lips, you can see I did go in with the shade Okay Then to darken it up, and in the center I took Good. So this is basically the finishing touch of today's look. Okay. So for the conclusion, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this bronzer can definitely go in my top 10 bronzers to use. I love the shade, I love the pigmentation, and I love the undertone. Y'all can definitely see it up here, how it's bronzifying my face on my cheeks and so on and so forth. So once again, this is the HNB bronzer in 07 in the bronzer. My other favorite bronzer is my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and this one is in Deep 4. Now with Deep 4, some that are my complexion may be scared of it, but if you're a heavy-handed person, I suggest you go with a light hand and you'll get the perfect bronze you will need. And this one is swatched down below. So that is Charlotte Tilbury in Deep 4. Next bronzer I'm going to take, which is in my top 5, is going to be my Gucci bronzer. My Gucci bronzer looks like this. I'll swatch that for you guys. So that is the Gucci bronzer right here. The next bronzer that I will take, that hopefully a lot of you have in your drawers, would be the Revolution Glow, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so this bronzer is in dark, and I'm gonna swatch that for you guys. So this is dark, Gucci, Charlotte Tilbury, and this is HNB Cosmetics. I'll do 2 more bronzers, but these 2 are from Morphe. So I have a Morphe bronzer in Phenom. And this is the swatch of Phenom right here. This is a beautiful shade. The next one I'll be taking is from Morphe glamabronze, and this one is in Trailblazer. And this is how this one looks. And this is Trailblazer down the bottom. Okay, so we have Morphe glamabronze in Trailblazer, Morphe glamabronzer in Phenom. Have Makeup Revolution Glow in dark, and then we have Gucci bronzer in number 5, and then right here we have Charlotte Tilbury in Deep 4 or 4 Deep, and then we have HNB Cosmetics bronzer in 07. I'm not gonna lie, my conclusion would definitely have to be a go and purchase this because it's £14, pigmented, the color is spot on. She got the color right when it came to dark skin. Go and cop you a £14 bronzer, girl. Go and get a £14 bronzer. If you guys do love a bit more warmth in bronzer, you can go for number 8. I was gonna pick up all 3, but then I was like, at this point in time, ain't nobody got time to be wasting money just in case I don't like it. I would have loved to had picked the last 2 because it would have been helpful for those who would have love to see comparisons or them swatch side by side, because I know she did not have models swatching the darker shades, which was unfortunate. So me purchasing it was a gamble, but I must say I'm in love with it. Hey guys, so we've now reached the end of my video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please comment down below what your thoughts and opinions are about this bronzer in particular. Let's build a conversation in the comments down below. Bye, until next time.